Hello, everybody, again. Welcome to my second video story. Sometimes you finding someone to love you. Of this story, I tell about all of those dogs that call the best friend, hero, and protector of his owner. Before we start our story, I hope that you don't forget to subscribe, ring the bell, and comment below. And I hope that you like this video. The world be a nicer place if everyone had the ability to love us unconditionally as dog. And 100% in my research than other people did not know how to love than other species animals like this, a dog. Sometimes other people give us judgment, saying bad things to me, or other people feel so sad and sad. Sometimes you cry alone in your room. The feel of someone hurting your feelings, like saying bad things on you, judging, saying you're a bitch, saying you're a bad person, that you are not like that. No, I'm not the only one feel this problem of sadness, because many people feel it like me. Whereas love than this pet, he know how to love. Than other jealous at you, than other people, the cannot give their love. They are so selfish. Sometimes in the first place, but in the second place, until the end, they are bad. Why I don't like friends? Then this pet, I love dogs. They know how to care and love. They love you more than men or girls. They're liars, friends. Sometimes they are giving you some bad things that you don't understand. But what's going on? Like that. If we're feeling sad, animals, pet or cats, they give their love more than other people, 100%. Feel of this story is better than the other people, dogs or other pets. What kind of pet? If you have learn how to love them, learn how to care of them than other people. Because sometimes we did not know if the person loves you or they lie on you. Just learn to love them and share love of your pets. Like example, give their love what they need than other people. Because not that I am going to say, not always a human being is compatible, good or bad. Because it's too hard to trust than the other pet. Like the species. Dog is not only a species. A baby pet dogs is part of a family. Because sometimes dogs need family, caring. Because not 100% of dogs have a family. There is on the street finding food. But believe or not, people have a heart to care and love pet dogs. Because dog is an animal, but animals like a human being too. They need care and love that he never ever feel to the other people. Thank you for watching.